Today we'll be solving a lead code problem that is climbing stairs, problem number 70. And the question statement is, you are climbing a staircase. It takes n steps to reach the top. Each time you can either go one step or two step, and we need to find out how many distinct ways we can find to climb to the top. And this problem is basically using recursion to find out the number of ways that we are doing. So I'll just show you the diagram that I've already drawn here. So if my n is equals to 3, so what can we see here? We know that I can climb my stairs how? By 1, 2 and 3. This is one of the ways by which I can count. Or by from 1 I can directly move on to 3. This is another way. Or from 2 I can move on to this by moving on to this. After that, these are the ways which I'll be trying on to get to this position. So this is how it's going to be done. So let's get to the code part. Because this is pretty simple, we are using Fibonacci, that is f of n minus 1 plus f of n minus 2 to compute this value, and this is what we'll be doing here. So I'll just make a recursion here. Int f is equals to n, which will say f of n minus 1 plus f of n minus 2. This will give me the number of ways that we are requiring to actually find that. And if n is less than or equals to 1, I'll be saying that you return 1. So this will give me the count of ways, and here I'll just simply do return f of whatever n gives me. So this is how it goes, and I'll just run and show this to you. And the maximum value here we have is 45. Okay, so I've not put int here. So int 10, maximum value we can get here is 45. I'll just show this, dry run this case using 45 and just show you. I won't submit this because this will give TLE here. uh, this will give TLE, so we'll have to use memorization here, obviously TLE. So we can just simply create a DP here. This step is also known as memorization. So I'll just create a DP of 46, an array of 46, which will be storing the answers. And I can just say mem set. What this function does is it will initialize all the value of this DP array with -1. So this is what it does. And I'll just do size of and DP, and this is what it does. After that, I'll just come here and say if my answer has already been calculated, I shall just return that. That is, if dp of n has already been calculated, that means it is not equals to -1. So I can simply return dp of whatever n is, and come down here. And here I'll just simply return f of n minus 1 plus f of n minus 2. This shall be stored in the dp of n. And yes, that is code for this. Now if you submit this, it will get submitted without any problem. Okay, this will get submitted. I've just run the case for the extreme case, that is n equals to 45, and this runs, so all the cases will run. You can use this code. And yeah, that is it, pretty much it for this code. And yeah, thank you for watching.